Good morning students, I am Mubina Namda. Today I am taking math subject for UKG class. So children, our today's topic is long, longer and longest. In our previous class, we learn about tall, taller and tallest. First of all, I clear the difference between long and tall. Tall is a word to describe the height. It means the tall word we use to describe the height, and the long is a word to use describe the length. Here we describe the length, and in tall we describe the height. Tall we generally use to measure the vertical heights. See here, the lines are in vertical manner. In this we can use tall word. And here a long is we use generally horizontal measure. Here you can see the lines are in horizontal manner. Now let's see our today's topic, long, longer, longest. Children, see in this picture we have three bats of different colors and different length. See, first one is purple color. This bat is long. In long, the pink color bat is longer than the purple color bat. See, this one is long bat, and the pink color bat is longer bat, and then blue color bat is longest bat. This purple color bat is long in size, and the light pink color bat is longer, and the blue color bat is longest. Now our next example is of three ribbons. Here we have three ribbons. Each ribbon is different from each one in size. The size of the length of each ribbon is different from each one. The first one is red color ribbon. Here, see here, this red color ribbon is small in size, small in length, and this light green ribbon is longer than the red color ribbon, and this one blue color ribbon is longest one. This ribbon is longest one from these two red and green color ribbons. See, this red color ribbon is long, this light green ribbon is longer, and the blue color ribbon is longest. Children, our next example is of three chilies. Here you can see each chili is different from in size and length. The first one, the topmost one is big in size, and the last one is in the bottom chili is small in size. First, the first one chili is small, so this chili is long, and the second one is bigger than the small one, so this one is long, and last one is bigger than these two both chilies, so this one is longest. See, here we have circle it with different colors. The blue color circle of chili is small in size, so this one is long in size, long. We call this one is long chili, and the middle one is we circle it with color orange. So this chili is bigger than this chili, so this chili is longer, and the last one is we circle it with black color, so this one is bigger than these two chilies. So this one is longest. Long, longer, and the longest. Yeah, this one is long, this one is longer, and this one is longest. Here we have 3 brooms. Here we have 3 brooms. The first one is long, the second middle one is longer, and the last top one is longest. As you can see, the length of each broom is different. The bottom broom is small in length. The length of this broom is small than this one. This one is bigger than this one. So this one we call longer. And the last one, topmost, here this broom is longest because this one is bigger than these two brooms. These two broom is smaller and this one is bigger. So this one is we called as longer broom. Longest broom. This one is longest broom. This one is longer broom. And this one is long broom. Now children, it's time to take your today's homework. Your today's homework is draw the longest ribbon in the group. You have to draw here a longest ribbon. Here they draw a long one and longer. You have to draw the longest ribbon. And second one is here draw a line that is longer than the one row below. Here they have draw one line. You have to draw longer than. The length of line is bigger than this one. You have to draw it and send on my WhatsApp number. This homework is on page number 85. You have to draw and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.